kami.
Babalik po ang Medclaims para sa aming third song sa gabing ito.
May nag-request ito kanina, pare.
Oo, may nag-request sa amin ito.
Paano ba natin yan?
Panyan. Lakas
Ito,
sa amin yan.
Isa to sa mga number one fan ng Medclaims.
Bukas may poster ka, pipirmahan pa namin ng mga
Study
paborito mong...
Sino?
Si Irma.
Irma ng accounting
Ay,
department.
Ma'am Irma. Okay.
Irma Purol, para sa'yo to.
Title nito, With a Smile.
Paborito mo to, balita ko eh. Game.
Hit it.
1, 2, 3.
If you're
Baby, don't be scared of the things that could go wrong along the way. You'll get by with a smile. But you can try. Baby, you don't have to worry. There ain't no need to hurry. No one ever said that there's an easy way. When they're closing all their doors, they don't want you anymore. It sounds funny, but I say it anyway. What shall I say? Through the bad times, even if I have to face you every day, you get by with a smile. You can never be too happy in this life. In a world where everybody is a happy ending story, it's a wonder love can make the world go round. Then don't let it bring you down and turn your face into a frown. Get along with a little prayer and a song. Oh, let me hear you singing. In a world where everybody is a happy ending story, it's the one that love can make the world go round. And then don't let it bring you down and turn your face into a frown. Get along with a little prayer and a song. Lift your head. Baby, don't be scared of the things that could go wrong along the way. You get by with a smile. Now it's time to kiss away the tears goodbye. Let me hear you with a smile. Kapag bigyan ka namin, Irma, request mo, kanta namin.
Show mo! Score mo!